Hey friends, if you wish to reclaim space after upgrading Windows 10 to a newer version, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So basically, this means that you're already on Windows 10, and a new version means a new version in the sense of a cumulative update. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select storage. Okay, where would you find storage? And then click on temporary files. Okay, it will start scanning everything, and then finally you can simply delete all of these files which are already checked. I mean, there are more in recycle bin and downloads, but I will not suggest clearing the downloaded files unless you know what you're doing. Recycle bin, it depends, I usually clear that. But click on remove files and then click on continue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.